we started a Robotics Club. We met twice a week, 2 hours per meet. The designs are given to us by the code, but we get a chance to give ideas. Each time we meet, we discuss a problem, analyze it, and figure out a solution. We are learning about robotics, and when we get older, we may be in a team.
We went ahead and designed a robot to pick up 2-inch cubes. And we want to have it be able to score in the Alliance Tower from Fright Frenzy. Here's what we got.
Our robot has a 6-wheel design with powered wheels in the middle. We have omni wheels on the front, so our robot on the front and back, so our robot can turn without a drag. At first, only the central wheels were powered, but we couldn't go over all the terrain. We added a chain, so the front wheels are powered.
So our robot is set up as a tank drive robot, which means this stick controls one motor and the other one controls the other, both forward, forward, both backward, backward, one down, one up, spin. The pressure sticks determine how much power each side gets. Precision driving mode sends less power to these motors, which makes the bot go slower. And then we added video game mode, in which these control how much power the motor gets. And this controls the steering.
This is our claw. It grabs the blocks by doing this. The motor does it, not your fingers. These are the links, this is the lever. When you push the levers forward, it opens this. When you pull them back, it closes.
Our lifter at first was just attached to the channel. We had our claw, not like this, but it was a 3-inch long channel. It was attached to here, and then later on, we came up with the idea of putting a hinge to lift the claw. At first we got it to a lower level, and then we switched it down to a 9 channel, so we were able to get to the middle score. Now we ended up to have it down here and have an axle to rotate it up, and we ended up having it still in the middle. Then we worked on our settings so that way we can make it at the top. Now we put it up on these channels to make it reach to the top.
We decided to add a drawer slide to our robot so that way we could reach the higher scoring positions on our cake tower. We used rack and pinion by adding a rack onto the top of the moving part of our drawer slide, and then we added a gear on top of our rack so that way whenever it spun, it would shoot our claw out on the slide. We first started out with a 2-inch gear that only gave us 4 3/4 inch of extension, but then we added a new 3-inch gear that gave us a full 7 inches of extension. And then we changed out our torque servo for our speed servo, so that way we could extend faster.
So at first we had one button for each action, so it was raise, lower, extend, retract. But then we thought of a better design, which is one button for multiple actions. So if we press the A, then it will extend all the way and lift up a little bit so we can score in the lower goal. If we press X, it'll extend all the way and lift up a little bit more so we can score in the middle goal. And if we press Y, it'll extend and raise all the way so we can score in the high goal. And if you press B, it'll lower and retract and open the claw so we can grab a new block. And we do have a sensor on the claw, so if the block will get close enough, it'll close it, but it's not programmed yet.